Kali ni kita akan tengok tentang satu fungsi, one of the function or features in Photoshop that we call as layers. Okay, so layers can be obtained by looking at one of the palette over here. Okay, layers. Okay, so if you cannot find layers palette in here, in this area, you can enable the palette by finding it into at Windows. Sorry, this is not Photoshop tab. Click on tab. Okay, go to Windows and search for layers panel. Okay, currently my layers palette is enabled, but in case you cannot find the panel, okay, like here, like this one, okay, you cannot find layers over here, you can just go to Windows and navigate to layers to enable layers palette. Okay, the function of layers palette is to individualize or to separate items or object in your workspace so that you can easily modify the objects individually. Okay, so let's take a look in details about layers palette. Okay, so this tab can be moved around and can be separated from this panel group. Okay, click and hold, and so you can see they will be highlighted in blue in color so that you can move and separate from the panel groups. Okay, so right here you can see the background layers. Okay, this one, your workspace. Okay, previously you create new workspace and the background color is white, so the background will be white. Okay, so now we have several items here, but the most important things is this one. Okay, create new layer manually, or the layers will be created automatically when you create an object into your canvas or workspace. For example, we can let's use one of these tools. Okay, shape. Okay, this is shape. Okay, click. Okay, rectangle tools. So here you have foreground and background color, and here the shape option. Okay, shape option like the fill. Okay, this one is the color, and the stroke is the outline. Okay, for example, and this is stroke width. Okay, so here let's see. Okay, this is how we create layers automatically by insert an object. Okay, so we have a rectangle here. Automatically Photoshop will create a layers for this object. Okay, now how about we create another object? Okay, so create here. See, automatically Photoshop will create another layer for current rectangle, name it as rectangle 2. How about we create another layer? Okay, still in the same object, this one. Okay, rectangle 3. Okay, we have rectangle 1, 2 and 3. Now we can see we can rename this rectangle by double click. Okay, double click on the text itself, double click. Okay, you can rename this item shape 2 and shape 3. Okay, we have 3 layers with 3 objects. Now you can see that in layers, okay, you can see the eyes. This one is visibility toggle. Okay, you can click to hide the object, or click again to show the object visibility. Okay, same as background, you can click to hide the background and click again to toggle visibility for the layers. Okay, now once you click each individual layers, you can obtain some function or at this area. For example, lock. Okay, so I click change to cursor mode. Okay, you can move around. Okay, so for example, you have multiple objects on your canvas and you doesn't want to move the second object, but sometimes you accidentally move this object. You intend to move the third object, but accidentally you will move the second object. So how to lock this object in place? Click shape 2, which is this object, and click lock this one. So this one will be locked in place. You cannot move object 2 even though you click the object on your canvas. That's how we lock the object in place. Another one, you can change the transparency and feel of the object by click the layer and change the opacity of fill measurement. See, they have transparency there. Now let's change the color of this object. I will show you how to use layers arrangement. So this one I will change the color to I will change the color to red. Shape 2, I will change the color to maybe orange. You can see the differences between object by colors. So by default, the lowest layer will be on the background. You see shape 1 will be at the back of orange, and the orange will be behind pink block. How to put shape 1 or the red block up above shape 3, which is the pink block? Simple. Click, hold, and move like this one. And shape 3 go below. Navigate by arrangement. Layers arrangement. This is layer arrangement. Now how to delete a layer? Simple. Click and delete. Ctrl Z, undo. How to group layers into one folder? You see we have a folder here. Create new group. So rename this one as object 1. So you can shift select 3 and put it in a folder. See, so this one is function. This is what we call is convenient when you have multiple objects that resemble one illustration. You group one as logo. Under logo folder you have some sort of ornament, rectangle, shape and text and so on. So you can group them by first folder, one of folder. So if you click on folder, you will move a group. So we have covered delete, new, and layers arrangement. That's all for now. So next we're going to cover another tools in this toolbar.